Hello Castlebrook Dragons, today is December 15th. We're continuing our OSSLT prep on Tuesdays. My name is Jason Corrigal, and we're going to be looking at multiple choice questions for the next 20 minutes of class time. Up till now, you've worked on the news report, and you've also worked on a series of paragraphs expressing an opinion. Those are some of the things that you should have in your orange folder already. Today we're going to work on multiple choice questions, as mentioned. What your teacher has for you today is a reading selection from the OSSLT. This was published in March of 2012. At this time I would like you to read this reading section, and I would like you to answer the multiple choice questions. There are 5 of them on the back of the sheet. I'd like you to try it on your own without any instruction for right now. And at this time, your teacher can pause this video, or if you're watching on your device, you can pause the video yourself. So just try it on your own, and I'll come back and we can talk instruction in just a second. Okay, now that you've tried these questions on your own, perhaps you've experienced a little bit of difficulty with one of the questions. So with multiple choice questions, if you experience any difficulty, something that has helped myself and has helped other students is something called question and answer relationships. Sometimes asking yourself the question, what is this test trying to get me to do, might help you in getting the questions right. QAR, a question-answer relationship, says that there are 4 kinds of questions out there. There's a question that is considered right there, which means that you simply need to search the text for the explicitly stated answer. There are think and search questions, and in this type of question, the answer is stated, but it requires that you combine pieces of information, probably from 2 different parts of the text, to fully answer the question. There's a type of question that's called author and me, or inferencing. And in this type of question, the author simply gives clues that must be combined with prior knowledge or things that you already know to figure out the answer. And then one sort of tricky question is a question that requires you to be on your own, which requires a knowledge of the text or topic, but the answer comes directly from you. So at this time, just take a look at one of the questions from the handout that may have given you trouble, and I want you to ask yourself the question, is this right there? Is it a think and search question? Is it an author and me, or is it on my own? And you can even write that beside one of the difficult questions, or more than one of the difficult questions. At this time you can hit pause while you do that, and we'll come back to look at the answer key. Okay, so now that you've put that strategy to work, and hopefully now you feel comfortable with your answers on the multiple choice, let's look at the answers. So the answer key is right here. We're dealing with section 4, and you can see questions 1 through 5. Alright, if you didn't get that answer key, you can rewind the video and pause it, obviously. I hope you found this information helpful, and good luck on the OSSLT.